You're trying to balance out your laziness by trying
Yeah.
to find more interesting ways to keep yourself under the umbrella of English, and you decided to download HelloTalk. How long have you been on HelloTalk?
Actually, this is my fourth day in HelloTalk. This app is recommended by my friends. I tried it, and the first time I download this HelloTalk, at that time there is no live stream, so maybe just like italki, so I didn't. And then when I downloaded it again, I found it, wow, there is a kind of this stuff. It's really amazing. And also, I found a lot of wonderful teachers.
We're here to learn from each other slowly but surely.
Yeah. So, how many languages do you speak?
Two, you have to have belief in yourself so others can believe in you. If you don't believe in yourself, other people won't believe in you. It starts with you first. But if you don't believe in yourself, no one will. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?